Hello everyone, this is Yuna from Sunny Paper Factory. Our A4 labels are always beloved by our customers. Today, I'm excited to tell you our A4 label package weight and the materials be updated.
Now we have uniformly added the bottom paper printing. And the bottom paper is upgraded to thinner 58 GCCK.
In addition, now we also have the economic A4 label packages. For this version, we use plastic packaging and the same 70 grammage offset paper for the surface material. But we have opted for a more affordable 78 grammage yellow PEK paper. All of our A4 labels and the different labels can be customized sizes. If you have the requirements on the A4 label and the labels, please feel free to contact me.